Where should I expect to see bicycles? Are they allowed on all types of roads?
A city or state can designate certain roads that are off limits to bicycles, and those roads will have signs saying that bicycles should not be traveling on them. But in most places, motorists and cyclists can and should share the road. On some roadways, there may be marked bike lanes or even separate bicycle paths. On roads without a designated bike lane, a cyclist can travel in the traffic lane or on a roadway shoulder. If you are driving a car, allow at least 3 feet of space when you pass a cyclist. Consider changing lanes or reducing your speed if possible. If the roadway is narrow, it may not be safe for a motor vehicle and a bicycle to travel side by side, and the cyclist may need to move in front of you. Please slow down and let the cyclist take the lane. Treating bicycles like vehicles is an essential part of sharing the road.